Welcome back, creative souls. You're watching Just For You, the place where everyday things get a fabulous glow up. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite themes, transforming boring, everyday items into stunning home decor, all on a budget. Let's be real, we all have those random items around the house. Old jars, cardboard boxes, plain picture frames, worn-out trays. Instead of tossing them out, why not turn them into something you'll actually love showing off? Project 1. The fancy frame flip. Start with a plain dollar store picture frame. Paint it with metallic acrylic paint, add some textured scrapbook paper or fabric as a backing, and glue on faux flowers or beads around the edges. Suddenly, boom, it's gallery wall ready. Project 2. Mason jar magic. Grab those dusty mason jars hiding in your cabinet. They become perfect rustic vases, candle holders, or even makeup brush organizers. Wrap them in jute twine, paint them with chalk paint, or glue on lace and ribbons. Project 3. Chic cardboard tray. Now you've got a stunning coffee table tray that looks boutique made. That boring cardboard box lid, paint it. Line the bottom with decorative contact paper and add DIY handles using rope or drawer pulls. Project 4. Placemat, wall art. It's unique, lightweight, and totally affordable. Yes, placemats need to spend big to have a stylish home. Just a little imagination and a few crafting supplies. Find a cool set with texture or patterns. Mount them in a frame or on canvas boards for instant wall art. Project 5. Upcycled can planters. Add a plant or artificial greens and you've got a custom windowsill planter. Take empty tin cans, strip the labels and paint them with bold colors or cover them in patterned fabric. The best part? These DIYs are easy, fun, and make your space feel uniquely you. Which project was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you try one, tag me so I can feature your creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another crafty idea. This is Just For You, where we make the ordinary extraordinary.